I will eat with you, but I know that one you will betray me. How is this true? The choice is yours, Judas. Do what you have to do. Baruch Natai Eloha Zamea. Take, eat. This is my body which is given for you. Do this, remember to me. Baruch Natai Eloha Zamea. Drink this, all of you. This is my blood of the covenant. Whenever you drink this, do this, remember to me. Now I drink from the fruit of the vine, until I drink this drink in the kingdom of God. Peter, you'll betray me when the clock closes the third time. But I will never betray you. Father, keep the world safe, and keep all of them safe. Bless the people. Judas, you betrayed the Son of Man with a kiss. You, Jesus of Nazareth, I am. I'm afraid you have to call with us. Master will fight for you. It's over now. Stick to fishing from now on. Do you want me to release Jesus of Nazareth or Jesus Barabbas? Barabbas. Why is this true? He has tried to make us live his way of life. He's trying to make us like his image. What shall I do with him? Crucify him, crucify him. I'll show you. 1, 3, 5, 7, 10, 12, 15, 20, 21, 22, 25, 30, 35, 39. Jesus, if you are the Son of Man, why is this true? Why do you not speak? Are you willing to give your freedom? I wash my hands in your blood. But Jesus was taken to the top of the mountain. Veni. This man is praying to Elijah. Jesus breathed his last. Truly, this is the Son of God.